Data type overview. Each value manipulated by Oracle has a data type. A value's data type associate a fixed set of properties with the value. These properties cause the database to treat values of one data type differently from values of another data type. Data type overview. Different data types of several advantages. Column of a single type produce consistent results. For example, date data type column always produce data value. You cannot insert the wrong type of data into a column. For example, column of data type date will prevent number type data from being inserted. For this reason, each column is in a relational database can hold only one type of data. You cannot mix data types within a column. Common data types. The most commonly used column data types for character and number values are below. For character values, CHAR, fixed size maximum 2000 characters. VAR CHAR2, variable size maximum 400 characters. CLOB, variable size maximum 1 to 8 terabytes. For number values, number value variable size maximum precise 38 digits. Common data types. The most commonly used common column data types for date, time and binary values are below. For date and time values, date, time, stamp, interval. For binary values, multimedia, JPG, WAV, MP3 and so on. RAW, variable size maximum 200 bytes, 2000 bytes. BLOB, variable size maximum 1 to 8 terabytes. Common data types. For character value, it is usually better to use VARCHAR2 or CLOB than CHAR because it saves space. For example, an employee's last name is Chang. In VARCHAR2 30 column, only the 5 significant characters are stored CHANG. But in CHAR30 column, 25 trailing spaces would be stored as well to make fixed size of 30 characters. Number values can be negative as well as positive. For example, number 6 to 2 can store any value from plus 9999.99 down to minus 9999.99. Data programming with SQL. Table creation. Create table syntax. To create a new table, use the following syntax details. Table is the name of the table. Column is the name of the column. Data type is the column. Data type and length. Default expression, species, a default value. If a value is omitted, the insert statement. Create table example. The examples below show the create table statement. Table creation. A data is a relational database is stored in tables. When creating a new table, use the following rules for table name and column name. Must begin with a letter. Must be 1 to 30 characters long. Must contain only A to Z, A to Z, 0 to 9, underscore